Good morning, dear kids. Today I am taking you exercise 4.3. Your first problem is you have to construct the quadrilateral, which is MORE, where MO is given as 6, OR is given as 4.5, angle M, angle O, and angle R are given. Let's draw the rough structure first. So I am drawing rough structure first. This is MOR and here E, suppose. So MO is given 6. This is given 60. This is given 105. Okay, this is also given 105 and this is given 4.5. Yes, shall we start? So you have to take your base 6 centimeter. That will be your MO. On your M point, you have to mark 60 degree. You can mark with your compass, making angle of 60, or you can use your protractor. Sorry, you can use your protractor if you want. Here on this side, you have to mark 105. And on this 105, you have to take a compass and make an arc of 4.5 and mark this as R. On R, you have to take a protractor and again mark 105 and mark this intersection point as E. Is that clear? Next we have you have to draw quadrilateral whose name is plan, where PL is given as 4, LA is given as 6.5. Let's draw the rough structure first. So P, L, 4, LA, angle L, okay, LA 6.5. Okay, this is 6.5. This is 110. This is 90. PLA and N is 85. So by angle sum property, first you have to get the value of L. So you will get value of L as 75 degree. Now take a base PL. On PL, make 90 degree. You can use your protractor or with your compass also. I have explained you to draw 90, 45, 30, 60, 120, 135, 105. These all angles we have studied how to draw with the help of compass. So if you want, you can use that, or you can also use your protractor and make the angle of 90 here. On this side, keep your protractor at L and mark angle 75. Once you got that, on L, put your compass and make an arc of 6.5 centimeter and mark this as A. On A, you have to again put your protractor and mark 110 degree as angle. Wherever it intersects your line P, mark this as N. And this is your required structure. You have to calculate this angle. If it is coming 85 with your protractor, that means your answer is correct. Your construction is perfect. Got my point clear? Shall we jump on to our next? We have to draw a parallelogram HEAR, where HE is given as 5 centimeters. Yes. EA is given as 6 and angle R is given as 85. So we'll just draw a rough structure HE, which is given as 5 centimeter. EA is given 6 centimeter. It's a parallelogram, so obviously your opposite sides will be equal. So this will be 5 centimeter and angle R, HEAR, this is 85. Now my dear kids, your parallelogram property, it is that the opposite angles are equal and they have co-interior angles also. So if you want to make it like that, you can use this. This angle will be 85 because opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. So you can mark this as 85. And this H angle and E angle, angle H plus angle E is equal to 180 because they are co-interior angles between two parallel lines. So you will get angle H is equal to 180 minus 85. That will be 95 degree. So you got H as 95 degree. Now you can take your main construction part. Do HE first of 5 centimeter. On H make 95. On E make 85. From E take a cut of 6 centimeter. From H also take a cut of 6 centimeter and join these. And you can name it as A and R here. Got my point clear? So this is your required figure. Next we'll make a rectangle OKAY. So dummy figure of a rectangle OKAY. We know very well the opposite sides are equal. So if OK is 7, even YA will be 7. If KA is 5, so even OY will be 5. And other property we know that the angles are 90 degree. So you can make a base OK. From O draw 90 degree. From K also draw 90 degree. With your with your compass, take a cut of 5 here. And here also take a cut of 5. OK is your 7 centimeter the base. Join this and you can name it as OKAY. This is your required structure. Done? Those who can use your compass and make the angles will be great. If you could not make with your compass, you can make with your protractor also. Construct a quadrilateral DEAR. Let's see what it is given and what we have to do. First we will go for a rough figure. So we have DE, which is, it's not given, yes it is given 4 centimeter. EA is 5 centimeter. EA. AR is 4.5 centimeter. Okay, I'll join this, and it is given angle E is 60, angle A is 90. Okay, so you have angle 60 and 90 given to you. Let's start. Now you can take a base of your DE of 4 centimeter. At point E, you can mark 60 degree with your protractor. At this point, you can take your compass, make an arc of 5 centimeter, mark this as A. On this point A, make 90 degree. Got my point clear? And then you have on this A, you have to keep your compass and take an arc of 4.5. Mark this as R and join D and R. This is your required figure. I'll insist you people to use your compass for making angles like 30, 60, 90, 120, 135, 105, because that is the main part of such kind of problems. But then if you could not make it, you will get my next video on making angles. So you can just go through with that video also. In our next problem we have, let's see, quadrilateral TRUE. We have it as, let's draw a rough figure. TRUE. We have TR as 3.5. We have RU as 3. UE as 4. Angle R is 75. Angle U is 120. So let's start with a base RU of 3 centimeter. On R you can mark 75, and on U you can mark 120 degree. Again on R, take a point, take your compass and make an arc of 3.5 centimeter. And on U make an arc of 4 centimeter and join your this and this point. That is your T, R, U, and this will be E. So this is your required structure. Next you have to draw square READ of 5.1 side. So READ, it is very easy and it is very natural that you have to take 90 degree. So because it's a square. So make a base of 5.1, that is RE. Take an angle of 90 degree at R as well as at E. And again take a compass, make an arc of 5.1 on both the sides. Join your last READ, and that's your required structure. Next we have a rhombus whose diagonals are 5.2 and 6.4 long. You have to make rhombus. Rhombus has the property that its diagonals bisect each other. They are the perpendicular bisectors. So any one diagonal you have to take and make a base. Suppose I am taking 5.2 as a base, this diagonal. Any one of the two diagonals you have to take as base. So I have taken 5.2 as a base. Then you have to draw perpendicular bisector of this 5.2. Your next step is draw perpendicular bisector of this 5.2. Now your other diagonal is given as 6.4. Take half of this, that will be 3.2. Keep your compass on the center point and mark 3.2 on both the sides. Now join these points, and this is your required rhombus. Got my point clear? Next we have a rectangle with adjacent sides 5 and 4. So this is your 5 centimeter. We'll take a base, and we know rectangle is always 90 degrees. So make 90 degree on both the sides. On this one point, take an arc of 4 centimeter. Here also take an arc of 4 centimeter and join this. So you will get your required rectangle. Isn't it easy? Next we have to make a parallelogram where OK is 5.5. Okay. So we have OKAY. OK is 5.5. and KA is 4.2. My dear kids, for this there is no measurement of any interior angle given to you. So in that case, we know it's a parallelogram, so opposite sides will be parallel. So what I'll do will be step number 1, draw a line segment of OK, which is 5.5 centimeter. At point K, you have to draw a ray of convenient angle, whatever it is. Any angle you can take. Now you at point O, you have to draw a line which is parallel to K. Getting my point clear? So how you will draw a parallel line? How to draw a parallel line, my dear kids? You have to take a random arc here. Keep your compass at the center and take a random arc. And measure this arc from here to here on your compass, and same measurement you have to put it here. Same measurement you have to take here to make a parallel line. So this will be your parallel line. And on this parallel line, you have to make an arc of 4.2 on both the sides and join this. So this is your required parallelogram. Clear, dear kids? Okay, God bless.